Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to make money with Instacart in 2025. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle that fits around your schedule, Instacart could be your golden ticket. Instacart is a popular grocery delivery service that connects shoppers like you with customers who need their groceries picked up and delivered. With advancements in 2025, including better app features and higher earning potentials, it's easier than ever to get started. First things first, let's talk about signing up. Head over to the Instacart website or app and create an account as a shopper. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a reliable vehicle, and pass a background check. Once you're approved, which usually takes a few days, you can start browsing available batches of orders in your area. Now, to maximize your earnings, focus on peak times like evenings and weekends when demand is high. Instacart pays you per order based on factors like distance, item count, and tips from customers. In 2025, expect features like AI-driven route optimization to help you complete orders faster, potentially boosting your hourly rate to $15 to $30 or more. Always prioritize accuracy and great customer service. High ratings lead to more opportunities and bonuses. Here are a few pro tips. Shop efficiently by planning your route. Double-check items to avoid returns, and communicate with customers if needed. Also, take advantage of Instacart's promotions, like peak pay incentives during busy periods. Remember, while it's flexible, you'll need to manage your own gas and time costs, so track your expenses to ensure you're profiting. Wrapping this up, making money with Instacart in 2025 is all about consistency and smart strategies. Whether you're a student, parent, or just needing extra cash, this could be a game changer. If you try it out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Your experiences might help others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you next time.